memories creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire.
Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. My name is Betha and you're watching Betha Fau. Thank you so much for stopping by. For those who are the first time viewers, please feel welcome. Feel free to hit that subscriber button. For those who have been watching my videos and have already subscribed to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. So in today's video, I am actually trying to get my hair into twists. Okay, there are many twists, I think. I don't know how you call them, spring twist or mini twist. So actually my hair is giving me so much temptations. I don't know what's going on. I don't know what's happening. Do you remember this hair? I hope you do. I hope you do, because this actually the second brand of hair from Sisters. Where's the back? This actually the second brand from hair from Sisters that I did buy because I needed a certain style. This is the pack. This is how it looks like. And it is actually color number 1 stock 33, and this failed to give me the results that I was looking for. I think I just don't know how to twist them towards the direction in which the curls need to be twisted in order to form a style. I don't know where the papers go, but I'll show it out right here to form this style. So before I actually did buy this pack, oh, this is the style to form this style, because I want like my curl patterns to be a little bit thicker and the springs to be patterned well, not like the previous twist that I had, which the springs were patterned almost like this, like they're just roughly patterned. So I ended up saying, no, I'm not going to do that here. Then I ended up turning to this. So this is a bag that I had bought earlier. By saying earlier, I mean yesterday. I bought this today. Yeah, today. That's how crazy I can be. And where is this one hanging on? I bought this today. That's how crazy I can be when I want to do my hair. So I bought this today, and I think I just make something of a crochet because I miss crochets. I'll make something of a crochet from this and just put them somewhere. Then I'll use it later. So this is the hair that I'm now using. This is Cocoa Twist, human free, human hair fill, and tangle free. So this is how it looks like, and this is how the back looks like. I think having it crocheted will actually turn out marvelous, because these curls they're persistent. They tend not to like run away or disappear. So this is what I am currently using. So let's just separate this and see. As you can see, the curls are like, they don't end up disappearing. So crocheting this can be perfect. But I am just going in and taking a few bits and just using it to make my spring twist, or I don't know what they're called, that twist. So this is how it looks like out of the packet. It is actually from Angels, and it is a color 133. So 133 and 1 stroke 33, that's just the same color. Then we have color number 1, which is black, and color number 3, which is color number 33, which is actually brown, but this is 133 or 1 stroke 33, which means a black combination with the brown of 33. So this is how it looks like. And actually I have just used this, the one from here, yeah, and I am almost, yeah, it has actually done a lot. So I think this one pack, or I believe this one pack is enough, unless you have, I don't know, so much hair, but this one pack is enough either for crocheting or the braids. So I'm just going to turn around so that I show you guys exactly how far I have gone and what I have been doing. Then after that, I'm going to try and show you guys exactly how I do install my Cocoa Twist. They're called Cocoa Twist. So let me just turn around. So the goodness of these extensions, actually, I have realized they are so light. Like, leave braids alone, even leave yarn. These are just like something else. You know, yarn when it gets wet, it actually turns to a little bit wet, a little bit heavy. But with this, it's just so light. Like, whether wet or dry, is so light. And so far, I think I'm loving the job that I'm doing. I am actually watching a movie while doing this, and I hope I'll be done by tonight. So let me just show you how I installed two, then we'll check in later, or I'll check in later. So as I had said, you just separate this and the what do you call the length. I actually love this length. I have wanted this, like this type of length before, and most of the time I end up doing like just snipping off the pieces of other extensions to make this kind of length. So I have two pieces over here, and what I'm just using my waxing gel to put everything like neat and decent. So I'm not going in with a random box or triangle pattern. I'm just going in randomly, picking hair. As long as I feel it's enough, I just go ahead and braid that. So
Nightmares creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire. With crimson secrets and forbidden bliss, can't stay still, don't stop that thrill. My bones crave your skin, temptation within, mistakes ignite the silence. Nightmares creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire. Connect the dots straight to the start of intoxicating want. Lingering touch, these soft words. nightmares creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire. With crimson secrets and forbidden bliss, can't stay still, don't stop that thrill. My bones crave your skin, temptation within, mistakes ignite the silence. Nightmares creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire. Yeah.
So yeah, that's how I do my install, and I'm actually going to, I feel like starting at the front, but I'm just going to work my way forward, like from the back towards the front, because I don't know. Mm, okay, so I'll come back and show you the rest, like how I'm faring. I hope you did enjoy this video. I hope you like it. I hope I'm doing a great job, and I hope this lasts me. Like, I really, really enjoyed the last hairstyle, so I hope I do love this too. But so far, I think I'm just in love with the color, and I'll let her go ahead and just trim my ends so that they don't look so shaggy. But I do love the curls, and I don't know who is inventing these twist styles, but just keep the game coming because we are in for it. So until next time, see you people. Peace.